Patrick with Tesla Trip, and you guys requested more footage of drifting. So we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna try drifting. So this is the default drift mode on the Tesla Model 3 Performance. I'm gonna make a little circle here. So we'll do one little lap, just to kind of get a feel for it, because it's pretty tight. So this is the part where we're gonna want to hit it, so we'll spin out around this corner right here.
I'm watching us from the drone. Cool.
Alright, so we hit it hard right when we make this corner right about now.
There's so much dust in the air from the drone footage. Like half the track is covered in dust. Dust higher than the car. Oh, the drone footage looks so amazing.
That might be a bit much.
You're just spraying out dust. Tons and tons of dust.
Now you can't see any of the dust, huh?
Oh no, you can see everything. Yeah. But there's giant clouds of dust like twice as high as the car.
So if you get it just right, you can feather it so that you make the corners you can make the corners easier without having to slow down. And not going quite right.
There's definitely less dust than the first time.
Alright. So that was fun.
There's still dust left.
But don't want to get too crazy, don't want to damage the paint on the car. But yeah, that's drift mode. I think on a track that'd be better with obviously tires made for drifting. I don't want to wear these ones out too much. But you guys wanted more drifting. That's kind of drifting. So that was the rear wheel. This will do the front wheel.
Still recording.
Oh, it handles way different. Like, actually, it's way easier. Like, I'm not drifting at all. But it's handling way better. Like, my lap times are going to be amazing.
This is like normal circles.
Yeah, this is because it's all front wheel drive. I think I actually smoothed out this dirt road here a little bit.
I noticed how the car GPS is completely inaccurate.
Alright, so
low battery warning.
Okay.
30%.
The last thing we're going to do, we'll turn off track mode and just see how it handles. Just regularly. So this is without any track mode. Yeah, I don't feel like I'm losing any traction at all. Not a little bit there on that corner. Yeah, but I can't peel out if I wanted to. Alright, let's land that drone.
That was really fun.
I think it could be a lot of fun, but you probably want to get tires, go to a real track. But, you know, a little bit of fun in the dirt was kind of neat. We pulled some G's, or real close to 1 G. When we did it yesterday, we did one little circle and we pulled more than a G. See how it spins?
That was fun.
The dirt was a little bit looser over there than it was over here, and I didn't want to go too crazy because there wasn't a lot of extra room with this one. There was a lot of concrete barriers. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. You can follow me on Twitter. I'm @WalkingCrow, and we'll see you guys next time. Go down. All the way. Ta-da! Good job. How was that? Was that fun?
That was fun. The drone's super